Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies with just 3 simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. This recipe is incredibly easy and perfect for a quick treat, requiring minimal effort and no special equipment. Let's get baking. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the 1 cup of creamy peanut butter with the 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. Stir these 2 ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well blended. Once that's done, gently fold in the 1 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure they are evenly distributed throughout the dough for chocolate in every bite. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take your cookie dough and roll it into about 12 small balls, then flatten each one slightly. Place them onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges appear firm. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes. They will be soft when hot, so this cooling time helps them firm up. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, your delicious 3-ingredient chocolate chip cookies are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.